Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe and click the little bell before you leave because I have an exciting announcement. So every single day for the month of December, I'm gonna be uploading a video. This is something I've never done on my channel before, where I upload every single day. It's gonna be kind of like Vlogmas, but it's not gonna be so much like vlogs. I might throw in a few vlogs here and there, but every single day I want to be putting out some kind of video for you guys. So this could be tarot readings, this could be spiritual videos, this could be beauty videos, hair videos, face masks, hair masks, anything that you guys want to see from me. Leave me comments down below. And it's going to be an extremely busy month for me, but I'm really excited because I really want to do this for you guys. I want to get to know you guys more. I want to connect with you guys more. I want to talk to you guys more, and I want to put out more content for you guys throughout this whole month. Now on my channel, I used to do a lot of DIYs, so I want to start doing those on my channel again. So I have a few videos coming out of very affordable, inexpensive spiritual gift ideas that you can get from the dollar store. I'm gonna have a few gift basket tutorials for you guys. I'm also going to have a lot of spiritual videos, and I'm gonna throw in a lot of tarot readings in between. What else? I'm also thinking about doing a few recipe videos here and there, like quick, simple, easy, delicious recipes that you guys can make yourself at home. Because I used to do a lot of those on my channel, and a lot of you guys have been asking me to do recipes again. So I'm going to throw those in there in the whole month of December. And then anything else that you guys want to see from me, leave me a comment down below so that I can get those out for you. This month, we're going to have a lot of fun here on my channel. So make sure that you're subscribed and you click the bell. That way you don't miss out any video. And stay tuned and come back to my channel every single day because I will have something uploaded. I'm really excited. Let me know how you guys feel. And I wanted to make this quick announcement. So the first day of December, here it is. Here's my first video. I wanted to announce to you guys that I'm going to be uploading every single day. And I'm kind of nervous because it's going to like triple my workload, but I think I can do it. I think, what do you guys think? Like, is this something you guys are interested in? Is this something that will make you guys excited? Is this something that you guys would watch every day? Is this something that you guys will come back to my channel for? Let me know all your thoughts, and I will respond to every single one of you in my comments section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys in December every single day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!